I'm gonna show you how to do a face swap on an avatar photo. So let's go ahead and create a photo here using Canva AI. You wanna go to canva.com, go to the home page, click on Canva AI. You wanna click on image, and this is the prompt that I'm gonna use. You can also copy this prompt yourself and try it out. I'm gonna change this ratio, the aspect ratio to one by one. You guys can change it to whatever you want to. They also have styles here you can play with. I'm just gonna keep it like this for this video, and then I'm gonna click submit. Just give it a second. It's gonna generate 4 pictures for us down here. Another set of photos down here. This is another 4 set that I generated with the same prompt, and I think I'm gonna use this one down here instead. So let's go here to Remaker AI and upload our photo. So this is the photo that we want to keep. So you upload that photo here. Face that you want to use, you upload it here. Why is it such a tongue twister? So I want to put this face on this model. And so to do that, you're going to click this button right here, and then it'll generate over here. Let's wait and see what it looks like. I get so excited to see what these pictures are going to look like. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. Wow, look at that. That is so cute. I love it. All right, guys, so this is a simple, easy way to face swap for your avatar. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it's useful. Comment below and let me know if you like this easy AI face swap technique, and let me know what are you gonna do with your AI model. Also, make sure you subscribe, and I hope to see you soon. Thanks. Oh, and I will put the prompt in the description. So, all right, see you soon. Bye.